Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In this video I want to show you how to clean your Samsung Galaxy S8 Ultra, Tab S8 Ultra USB charging port using only home remedies. So remember the one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage the moisture protection and the charging mechanism itself. I suggest you use an old toothbrush which you no longer use, and as you can see there is something in my charging port that I prevented the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. As you can see, here is a piece of paper, and to get it out you first have to take the cover off if you have, and take the brush in your hand. Then gently insert one part of the toothbrush into USB port and try to gently pry the piece of paper out. So oh my god, you can see this because my camera isn't focused. Okay, let's try it. So put one part and try to pry out. That's all? Oh no, it's not all. This can take a while. Fine, one part of this dirt is cleared. Another part in port. Okay, looks like that it's all. So fine, thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and cool, bye.